are all checked out of the hotel. It's been a fun first day in Boston. We are headed to the cruise port to board the ship. This is going to be my first time on a non-royal ship. We are taking an NCL ship, the NCL Gem, and we will check in after we get through security and see you on the ship, because it's cruise day.
Here we go!
Checked in. I'm in one of their main dining rooms for lunch. The check-in process was quick and easy. I mean, before I even got out of my Uber, they were grabbing my bags and whisking them away. Security, the line was pretty quick. I have had a little bit of trouble getting on to the Wi-Fi to use the app to find my way around. And like learning the drink packages is going to be a bit of a trip, because it's a little different than Royal, but that's okay. It's a learning process. So we'll see how it goes together, and check back in a bit. After lunch, I found a spot to sit and wait for the rooms to be opened. They let us in our rooms about 2:15. So I've come and I'm going to put my luggage away. My luggage is here. We'll do a little room tour so you can see what the room looks like. This is kind of like an Oceanview studio room. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it'll be on the screen as I'm saying this, so you'll know. Let's do a little room tour. I'm gonna unpack my stuff, maybe take a shower, get changed for tonight's adventures. We have a couple of different game shows, maybe a magician, and we're gonna figure out where to go eat dinner. I'm not sure where to go eat dinner because this whole thing is new to me. So let's see what we can get it up to. I am all done getting cleaned up. We've gotten a lot of administrative stuff done. Had to go check out some internet questions. Had to go do some other credit card questions. Still learning the process. Nonetheless, we're done. Headed to dinner. We're gonna go eat in one of the main dining rooms. We're gonna check out, see how it is. See you there. So we're in the Magenta dining room. On this ship, there's 2. I don't remember the name of the other one. It'll be right there. But this is the one that's closer to my room, so I'm trying this tonight. With my package, I have unlimited bar drinks, and I have 1 specialty dining, which we'll check out later in the week. They have a French restaurant, they have like a Brazilian steakhouse, they have a steak place. I haven't decided yet which one of the specialty restaurants we're going to. But I've just ordered dinner, and so we'll see all that food and the dessert and everything, and we're gonna try to catch either Wheel of Fortune if we can get there in time, or there is Majority Rules after that. So we'll see what happens. So dinner was really good. At the Atrium Bar now, waiting for a game show called Majority Rules. If you aren't familiar, basically the way that it works is people vote on an answer, and even if it's nonsense, the answer with the largest amount of votes wins. It's pretty fun to watch. So we're gonna hang out here, play some Majority Rules or watch some Majority Rules, and then see what we get into next.
You're gonna write down your own one answer. Whatever you think is the right answer, you're gonna write it down and bring it here. Only one paper, okay? Because it's gonna be different question. What's gonna happen if you are part of the majority? You will get a point. At the end of the game, only the team with more points will be the winner team for the majority rule. Is that clear? Yes or yes? Question number 1 for you. What is your the most favorite karaoke song of all time, okay? Watching this rain, I cannot be.
Is very much home for me, and I promise you, you are going to have the most incredible 7 days with us. Oh yes, I think so. A round of applause.
Done a little game show. We went and saw a really super talented magician. His name is Tito. He's from France. I might have had some Miami Vices and a couple of other drinks along the way. It's getting late, so we are at Oceanview. It's the pub-style restaurant here. We're gonna eat a couple chicken wings and have some carrot cake before we hit the bend. recap the first day of the Norwegian gym cruise. Let's do some pluses and some minuses. I think the biggest plus is the food. The food on the ship has been really good. The chicken wings that I just had were really good. The chicken piccata was really good. The bar service, the bar drinks have been delicious. It's going to take me a while to figure out my way around the ship because the Wi-Fi doesn't work great, which means the app doesn't work great, which means deck plans are hard to figure out. So it's a little different, but there's still a learning curve and we will get it figured out. I like the layout of the ship overall. I like that it's a little bit smaller than some of the ones that I'm used to, so you can get from point A to B from point A to point B quicker. Most of the staff has been really cool and really helpful. There have been a few hiccups trying to get questions answered, like with drink packages and different stuff like that. But overall, it was a good first day. I'm excited to see what the next 6 days bring. Tomorrow is a sea day, so we are going to get up to all kinds of trivia and game shows and more food. Maybe even sitting out and getting some sun by the pool. We will see what happens. So we will see ya then. For now, it is good night.